The Narad Rishi came and doing the stutis and saying, Narad, you just ask some benediction. When the Krishna and Balram was listening the Harikatha, so he like the Krishna Balram body melted when he was listening Harikatha from the Rohini. So Narad Rishi came at meantime and he's saying, I want like you manifest this form in this world. So Narad Rishi asked this benediction from the Krishna. So like how the Krishna melted and became eager to listen his own katha. So how the conditions like the Krishna manifest, how the form the Krishna manifest by listening his own katha. So one time the Radharani became in a sulky mood. She became in a Manvati. So just to break the man of Radharani, so the Krishna came as in a Brahmar. So the Krishna is only the Brahmar and the Brahmalbi. So means the Krishna wants to listen his own katha from the Radharani's lips. So in this shloka it is describing. So the Radharani is saying, Brahma, why you are flying away and coming back to me? So why you are doing this? I heard so much about your Prabhu. He is an chal, kapti, hypocrisy, like he have dhut, chal, kapti. She is not reciting the name of the Krishna. She is only indirectly saying your Prabhu is an chal, kapati, dhruta, like a hypocrite. Dhruta, dhruta. I know his 3 life stories. 3 life stories. I heard his 3 life history. So one in the Ram avatar, the Ram incarnation. So in the Ram incarnation, what he did? He killed one monkey. And like even with secretly. Like the hunter never killed the monkey. And what your Prabhu has done in the Ram incarnation, he killed the Bali, who is a monkey. And he making a friend of the Sugriv and killed his brother Bali. Okay, ठीक है, somebody is doing anything wrong, we should kill that person. But he didn't follow the Kshatriya dharma. So and here he is saying the Raghukul Riti Sada chali aaye pran jaye par vachan na jaye. So the Ram Chandra is like always stays in on truth. So like how he is staying on his words, like he like the Ram's wife is like stolen by Raman. Like his wife gone. And he is making a friend to Sugriv who also do not have any wife, do not have his wife. What is his wife name? Roma. Ruma. 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 The Bali wife name is Tara. Sugriv wife's name is Ruma. Her name is Ruma. And the Bali actually took the wife of Sugriva. So the both became same, like don't have their wives along with them. So he also make his friend like according to him. And the Sugriv is also without wife and Ramchandra is also without wife. So both wives has went. So both became friends. So okay, the both are saying, I will help you to take your wife back, and the other one also saying, I will also help you to take your wife back. When the Sugriv and Ramchandra is saying to each other, and they both become friend, and they make the witness as in a fire. So the fire became a witness of in between them. So the Radharani is saying, like, you just listen the glories of your Prabhu. And the both like okay, he actually arranged in a fighting between the Sugriv and Bali. So I will like from far shoot the arrow, you go and fight with the Bali. And now the Sugriv and Bali are fighting with each other. Both are not less, they both are powerful. But the Bali have one benediction, like anyone who fight with the Bali, so he will take half power of that person. So the Bali actually did so beat so much to the Sugriv, and whole body of the Sugriv is spinning. And the Ramchandra from like secretly he's standing taking in a bow and arrow. So both are looking the same. The Bali and Sugriv are looking the same. So both are the brothers are looking same. So like the Ramchandra become confused to whom I should shoot. Because if I will by mistakenly kill the Sugriv, so it will be like not good. So it is not good to kill the friend. So the Ramchandra became confused to whom I should kill. So but the Bali killed the Sugriv so much, like the Sugriv actually run away from that place, and all the body of the Sugriv is paining so much. So then Ramchandra said, okay, now you go next time also to Bali. So then Sugriv saying, another time you want me, like Bali should beat me. No, then Ramchandra said, no, this time you will go. Now the Ramchandra said, this time you will go and put a garland in your neck. And when the Sugriv went to the to fight with the Bali, and he's chanting his name, Bali, Bali. The time what the Ramchandra has did, so secretly he actually shoot an arrow.